Hello YouTube, it's NWI Weather here again. Severe weather is due to strike my area within the next half hour. In this video I'll be showing you guys the storm, about the storm in general. As you can see here, the threat for tornadoes is a 3 out of 5, which is a 60% chance. The wind, the chances of it getting up to 80 miles an hour or higher is right in between the 4 and the 5. And the chance for hail being of the size of a golf ball or higher is right in between the 3 and 4 mark, more toward the 4. And the flash flood in prone areas is just under a 3. So these storms are due to hit my area within the next half hour or so. I will go ahead and turn you guys over so you guys can see the map of the alerts. So, okay, you see these red boxes right here? These show the tornado warnings that are currently out for the storm, and these little orange boxes here are severe thunderstorm warnings. And the big yellow area is the tornado watch. We are under a tornado watch right now. My area is. So when the storms do come through, I will start recording again, and I'll try to get the weather radio setting off alerts for y'all.
Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Porter County, northwestern Indiana, Central Lake County, northwestern Indiana, until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lansing, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Gary, Shermerville, Highland, Griffith, and Dye around 9:25 p.m. St. John around 9:30 p.m. Merrillville, Crown Point, and New Chicago around 9:35 p.m. Lake Station around 9:40 p.m. Lakes of the Four Seasons, Wheeler and Winfield around 9:45 p.m. Lincoln Hills around 9:50 p.m. Valparaiso around 9:55 p.m. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety inside a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, WMG 689 in Porter Township. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Northwest Indiana, including Porter, Lake, Newton, Jasper, Pulaski, Stark, and LaPorte counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 9:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Valparaiso and surrounding communities. A flash flood watch is in effect until 1 o'clock a.m. Thursday for the following counties in Indiana, Lake, and Porter. Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jasper County, northwestern Indiana, southern Porter County, northwestern Indiana, until 10:15 p.m. At 9:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Boone Grove, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near p.m. Dunn's Bridge around 10:05 p.m. This includes Valparaiso University and Porter County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your column, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour.
Hello YouTube, it's NWI Weather here again. The storm has indeed passed my area. I'll go ahead and I might get the picture here. Okay. I think we dodged a major bullet. So, I'm gonna go ahead and play back the radar picture here. Give it a minute to load. See, the tip of the storm here just missed my area. Just missed me. That I'd say it was quite something. It barely missed me. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop this right at the very end here. That would be on me right around that area right there. And look at this. It just barely missed me. 500 West, which is, I travel up and down that road all the time. And that's where the very tip of the storm was. It just barely missed us. Holy cow.
The severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jasper and southern Porter counties has expired. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and exited the warned area. Therefore, the warning has been allowed to expire. However, gusty winds are still possible with this thunderstorm. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. for northwestern Indiana. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Valparaiso and surrounding communities. Tornado watch number 287 has been issued until 4 o'clock a.m. Thursday, or 5 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Indiana: Lockport, Pulaski, and Stark. Tornado watch number 286 remains in effect until 1 o'clock a.m. Thursday for the following counties in Indiana: Jasper, Lake, Newton, and Porter. A flash flood watch remains in effect until 1 o'clock a.m. Thursday for the following counties in Indiana, Lake, and Porter. A flood advisory has been issued until 1:45 a.m. Thursday for the following county, Newton, Indiana.
Let's go ahead and head out to the rain gauge to check it. See how much rain we got. Birds are singing. Dang, not even 1/10 of an inch. Trying to read it here. 0.03. I'll go ahead and empty it then. This tube is very dirty. I'm gonna have to clean it. We dodged a bullet. Hello. Before I go, I'd like to say thank you for watching. And if you think I deserve your subscription and you're not subscribed already, hit that button over there. If you don't think so, again, I always appreciate the view. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.